how's it going? We're going to go into drawing a turtle. We're going to be going this right now. Cute turtle, by the way. Just a note, anyone can do this. Just grab a marker and join along. If you need to, pause, rewind, forward, anything you need to do to get it. But it should be pretty simple and it's very easy to walk through. So let's, let's get back to this and watch all the way to the end. Real simple. Just do it in one shot. Also, guys, don't forget to like the Facebook page, the Easy Pictures to Draw Facebook page. I'm going to be putting videos there and different contests and offers that are not available here. Go over there and follow that when you can, or click that little I, and it'll give you a little link to that Facebook page. If not, I'll have the link in the description. Just press like on that page. All right, let's go back in here. Pull that line. I'm gonna throw wiggly bottom, and I'm gonna throw kind of like water, and now I'm gonna make kind of like a square shaped foot on both sides. See, now that's the far end one. And that's pretty much it. That is a turtle, a cute turtle. Hopefully you'll be able to draw it. If you got through that and you're here, don't forget to press that thumbs up and say hi to me in the comments. I love saying hi. I love talking about stuff. Make some requests, and I'll see you soon, guys. Talk to you later.